Hello everyone, on this video I want to show you how to get the radio code for your Honda CRV 2011 without having to go to the dealership. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn our ignition on. Okay, now on the screen I want to make sure I press the 1, the 6, and then we're gonna push our power button. Okay, so that way we're gonna get our serial number of the car. So let's see if we can hold this. 1, 6, and then so right there, that's our serial number. Okay, you also want to get your VIN number out of your car. Okay, next thing you guys want to do is go to this website. It's gonna be radio-navicode.honda.com, and I'm gonna put this link under the description. So next thing you want to do, it's it'll tell you what you need. So information you will need is vehicle VIN number and vehicle serial number. That's the one we just got from the radio. Okay, and then we're gonna go to where it says get codes. Okay, we're gonna click on that, and then we're gonna fill all this out, where it says VIN number, zip code, phone number, email, serial number. Okay, and then we're gonna hit submit. So I'm gonna do that really fast.
Okay guys, once you have all this information filled out, okay, we're gonna press or submit, and then it will give us the code. Okay, so we're gonna make sure we enter that code in our radio, and then we're gonna hit, you can print it or you can hit done. So we're just gonna hit done right now. Okay, now we're gonna go back into our car and put that radio, that code back in the radio. Okay.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna go back into our car. Okay, so we're gonna push a button and then we're gonna put our code. Okay, we're gonna try again. 1, 4, 1. There we go, we got it going. So that's how you guys get your code. That's how you guys get the radio working. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you guys can do it as well. Just remember, you don't have to call the dealership for this. If you guys can give me a like and subscribe if it helped you, I will be uploading more videos soon. Thank you guys for watching.